Hey everybody, this is Nathan from Motion Protect. We're out here today at the Ingleburn Filterra. This is a 290 metre spread system we installed back in 2023. It's looking quite lush, it's been looked after quite well. Currently it is offline, it hasn't been activated yet. That's because upstream they're still building all of these residential lots, so we won't really take the system online until active completion. What we've done to do that is, if we look down here, we have our inlets, our downturn elbows for the bubbler distribution to spread flow. Currently these are capped so no water can enter. We have also a secondary block off upstream. But what you can see is, whilst all this construction is going on, everything is protected, everything is blooming, everything is luscious, and plants have a great chance to kind of grow and mature. So if you ever want to chat to us a little bit more about any of our Filterra projects, see what we can do for you, www.oceanprotect.com.au.